If you're making $100,000 a year and still feel broke, what I'm about to show you could completely change how you think about money. Because millions of Americans earning six figures are living paycheck to paycheck. And the real reason has nothing to do with income. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the hidden financial mistake that quietly destroys wealth, even for high earners.
Later in this video, I'll show you a simple wealth-building habit that can create a seven-figure portfolio without requiring a higher salary. Most people believe making six figures automatically solves financial problems. But reality tells a very different story. You can earn more than the average American and still be financially stressed every month. Why? Because income is only part of the equation. What truly matters is what happens after the paycheck arrives. The lifestyle inflation trap. Imagine getting a raise. Instead of investing it, you upgrade your car, then your apartment, then your vacations, then your monthly subscriptions. Suddenly, you're making more money than ever before, but saving the same amount. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons high earners stay broke. If your income doubled tomorrow, how much of that increase would actually go toward building wealth? Most people don't know the answer, and that's exactly the problem. Looking rich versus being rich. Many people spend years trying to look wealthy. Luxury cars, designer brands, expensive vacations. But real wealth is usually invisible. It's retirement accounts, index funds, investment portfolios, business ownership. The people who look rich are not always wealthy, and the people who are wealthy often don't look rich. In a moment, I'll show you the exact investment strategy that many millionaires use to build wealth quietly over time. The power of compounding. Let's say you invest $500 every month into an S&P 500 index fund. Over decades, that money can grow into over $1 million, not because you're a financial genius, but because time does the heavy lifting. The biggest mistake? Waiting. Every year you delay investing makes the climb significantly harder. The three-step fix. Step 1. Automate investing. Step 2. Track your net worth monthly. Step 3. Increase your savings rate every time your income increases. These three habits alone can completely transform your financial future. If you want more practical strategies for building wealth, investing smarter, and achieving financial freedom, subscribe now.
Because the difference between staying broke and becoming wealthy often comes down to a few financial decisions that you make every single day.
Over time. Remember, making more money doesn't automatically create wealth. Keeping more, investing more, and giving your money time to grow, that's how real wealth is built. And the sooner you start, the easier it becomes.